You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. There's going to be different pronunciations depending on the local accent or the country. In British English, in the UK, it is generally pronounced as Daugherty, Daugherty, Daugherty. Now in American English, in the US, it's usually said rather as Daugherty, 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 Daugherty. In the US, Daugherty or Daugherty. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.